Hi, my name is Paul Mann. I'm the Chairman and CEO of ASP Isotopes, ticker code ASPI. ASP Isotopes is an isotope enrichment company. Now, the isotope industry is at a pretty interesting point right now. Traditionally, Russia has been the largest supplier of isotopes to the world. And right now, many governments and customers are reviewing exactly who their suppliers of critical products are. At the same time, the world is in need of new isotopes that have never really been used before to enable certain healthcare applications and innovations such as quantum computing, and to enable us to produce green energy and meet climate goals in the future. And currently, there aren't really any suppliers of those isotopes. So we're at a point where there's a supply side crunch, as well as a need for new isotopes. And ASP Isotopes is a company that helps to fit that bill and be able to produce some of those isotopes and fill that gap in the marketplace. We have 2 plants currently under construction or commissioning in South Africa. The first we started up recently, and that will enrich carbon-14. Carbon-14 used to be a product supplied entirely by Russia. There's none currently available in the marketplace. And so we've been asked by a Canadian customer to enrich carbon-14 for them, and they will sell it into the marketplace. The second is a much larger plant and can enrich isotopes such as molybdenum 100 and silicon 28. Molybdenum 100 is hopefully going to revolutionize the healthcare industry and how scanning can take place. SPECT scanning, which is the most common nuclear medicine that occurs in the world. And silicon 28 is going to be required to enable quantum computing. Standard silicon semiconductors aren't able to process at speed to enable that technology. Our enrichment process is ideal for enriching both of those products. So we've got a huge interest in our technology from many different types of customers, and we're at a very exciting time both in the world of isotopes and our company. If you want to learn more, please look at our website, www.aspisotopes.com, and or any questions, contact our investor relations, and we'd happily get back to you with answers. So thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.